This is how to integrate Jira with GitHub. From your Jira dashboard, go to Apps, click Explore More Apps, search for GitHub, and go to Pricing. We will select Free for all teams, and we will choose this GitHub for Atlassian. Then click Get It Now, and click Review, and just click Get It Now. So now our application has been installed, and let's get started. And we will connect now to GitHub. So we should have a GitHub account. So I have my GitHub account ready, and let's go back, click continue, and choose GitHub Cloud. And scroll down, we will install now. And now our Jira has been integrated to GitHub. So let's go to GitHub to check if our Jira has been installed. So let's click our profile here, go to settings, scroll down, and you will see integrations, choose applications, and now we have Jira installed. So this is how to integrate Jira with GitHub.